Kobe, what are we gonna do?
I got this!
We have a lot of cavities. Dentist time. I know you won't like it. Oh, we have to.
So dark in here. Why so dark?
Hey, we would like to go to the dentist. He has a lot of cavities, you know.
Open your mouth.
Well, actually, he doesn't even have teeth.
Let's go.
Get out! What the hell? This is my
Just let us go
road.
first. Let's go first. Out of the way. Out of the way.
Yeah. I'll do it.
Okay, let's see them teeth, boy. Not another customer.
Johnson, your turn. Come on. Come on. Come on.
All right, big guy, open wide. Freaking bad boy. All right, we're gonna shove this in here slowly. You won't feel a thing.
Hey, Dad.
Hi.
So happy it's my birthday. Thank you for getting me my new rocket launcher.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, let me try it out. Dad! What are you doing when my jelly bean, freaking awake, bro? What are you doing? I told you put him to bed.
Well, too bad, Jacob. That's your pet. That's your job. No, my job.
No, I'm only 13. That's what you gotta
Jacob,
do. You gotta freaking take him out.
tell him to go away.
Okay.
Hey, he's flipping me off!
Hey!